Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create your event planning business on Wix.com, how to create a website for your business. So Wix.com is a website builder platform that helps businesses and individuals to create and manage their websites. First thing to do is to create the account, and after creating the account you create a new site. And in this video I will show you how to create your entire account in less than 6 minutes. So we said event planner. Next, preparing your dashboard. Now Wix gonna ask you to manage your schedule and workers, something like that. These are only the first steps. Enter your business name. Something like this. You need an address, where it's located. Here we have the time, working hours. Let's make you work all this week. Here we have start adding services, design consultation, catering couples picnic, kids parties, all access pass, private party. We have others. You can also create your own services and add a price for them if they are paid or not. Here you add, before this one, you add pages, the stuffs. If you have more than a manager or something like this, you can direct customers to them. So you can accept online payments or in-person payments. You can set automated emails and SMS reminders. You can manage your website and clients from your mobile, and you can sell also digital products or physical products on your website. Next, let's go back to the dashboard and start creating our website. So Wix offers a variety of templates and ways to create websites and manage to get all the steps in 7 steps. So we already completed 4 of those steps by not skipping the questions. So business type, first service, working hours, stuff and details. Now the most important thing is design your website. Now, how would you like to design your website? There are 2 ways. The first one is to let Wix create a website for you, and if you don't have any design expertise or something like this, and if you are lazy like me. And here we have the second way is to customize a template. You start from a zero, an empty thing, or just an example template. You erase the text, change pictures, change colors if you have a design expertise and you are good. And if you have an idea or you imagined how your website will be, you can just describe it to a designer and hire him to create the website for you. But now let's get Wix create the website for us. The first thing Wix editor asks you is to review and edit your informations. First information is the logo. Next, we have the name and the email. You should put your address here, address of your business, not your home. Here we have phone numbers, and you can add your social accounts here illimitedly. Now pick a theme to start. We have Basil, Wild Rose, Chic, Siren, Classic, and Prestige. Let's try the Wild Rose because I already tried the other ones except Basil. Basil. So preparing your homepage, it gives us 3 homepages to choose one of them. The Madara in Time way. Welcome to Madara in Time. Okay, I regret choosing this title, but this one presents our title perfectly. But I like the design and topic of this one. So let's pick this and edit it later. Now you had pages to your home, like reviews of customers, services you offer. We have your story, how did you begin, and the contact informations. By clicking on next, you are allowing Wix.com to consider you as a lazy person and complete the creation of the website by its own, and your website will be ready. Wix will take care of any detail, any information. They will give you an example of website. Not exactly an example, but you can use it without any copyrights or something like this. Then you should edit it, and we just wait to show you the editor. Now, while waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if the website isn't responding, I will just cut the next scene. So here, preparing your homepage, adding your pages, and we are just waiting. This is before the last step. The last step will be with getting found on Google. So getting found on Google isn't that easy because you will have to pay. Now we reach the part when people start running away or switch the video for a free one. So you have to pay and you will not have to pay. You have to choose. You can choose a domain like I said, madara.com is a domain you have to pay. But if you choose like something like madara.wixwebsite.com/madara, your website, this will be free, but you will not be found on Google that easily. So, okay, this is taking so long. I think I will cut this. I think I overloaded the pages or something like this, so website isn't responding. Let's try to refresh the page. And what did we do? Okay, I don't think it's Wix.com's fault. It's my Wi-Fi's fault. In both cases, isn't mine. So nothing to worry about. I think this website was too good to be real. Just kidding. Our website has been done. And this is how it will look like. Now let's click on publish. Of course, after you're done adding sections, changing and editing, adding your logo and doing the boring job, you click on publish. And after publishing, Wix will give you the website free domain, like I said, madara.com.wixsite, madarax.wixsite.com/madara in time. Next, click on done. You can go to dashboard and complete the steps. To get found on Google, you just have to complete the steps of getting found on Google that Wix.com will show you step by step just right after clicking on get found on Google. They will ask you about the name of the business, the location, and how would you like to be found. You will pick terms. Like I said here, you have 2 more steps. One is to get found on Google, and it's the easiest, and the last one will be get a domain, and you will have to pay to upgrade your account. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.